Hi, I'm Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater, and behind me right here I have a brand new arrival, Nautic Star 223 dual console. This boat right here is one of our first dual consoles to arrive at the Clearwater location. We're excited to represent the Nautic Star brand, so come with me and we'll walk you guys through the boat. The first thing you'll notice is the gorgeous seafoam green hull color spec'd on this model. You have quite a few different hull color selections with Nautic Star. And as we walk through, we're just gonna make a lap around the boat, and I'm gonna highlight a couple of pieces here in the bow. You have a nice sharp entry, and then something that is very unique in the deck boat or sport boat space is a boarding casting deck up here. If you wanted to do some fishing, I'll talk with you about more about that later, but here you have a side boarding ladder which will deploy for beaching the boat. So here in Clearwater and throughout the west coast of Florida, you have a lot of great sandbars where you can safely beach the boat, and now you have an option to get up and down right from the beach, which is just a spectacular way to enjoy the barrier islands that we have. You'll also notice up here that we have docking lights integrated into the bow area. So if you were coming up to a dock slip or marina in the twilight hours, you can flick those on and you can see, you know, what's in front of you. Again, little details. You have an anchor locker up there, and we have pop-up cleats, stainless pop-up cleats that are flush mounted, easy access, along with grab handles and a stainless rub rail. Really nice appointments. Come on the boat with me and we will take a look at the interior. So we're here at the back transom of the Nautic Star 223, and I'd like to point out your access in and out of the water on this boat. You have two platforms on either side of the Yamaha 150 to get in and out, to jump in and out of the water. And on the port side, on the starboard side, you have a concealed boarding ladder. It's a 4-step ladder, and then it will fold away and cover to be out of the way when you don't need it. You're also going to have a grab handle here to help you up when you're getting out of the water. You have a cup holder here that's convenient for if you're sitting in the cockpit. We got a ski post, which will allow you to tow tubers or skiers, any type of water sports. And again, the Yamaha 150 is going to give you plenty of power to do that water sport and get you from A to B. As we traverse into the cockpit, I have this seating in the up position, which is going to give you a nice walkway, nice companionway into the cockpit of the boat, and then it just quickly folds down to complete this massive U seating. This boat does not feel like a 22-footer. It feels at least like a 23 or 24. Plenty of space for entertaining. Right here, there's a removable lounge seat backrest, so somebody can sit back and be a spotter if you're watching people tubing. But then again, you can remove it and stow it out of the way if you didn't need it that day. Got a lot of storage under these seats too. Hinge storage right here. This conceals a large dry storage spot, and you can put the optional cockpit table. The table fits right into that compartment and will set up right here if you need to do a picnic on the water. You got more storage under the center aft hatch. And as we move forward, you're going to see something that you don't see on a lot of 22-foot deck boats, and that's going to be a little convenient sink right here. This is a freshwater sink, one of 2 access points on the boat. I forgot to mention we have a sink back when we first boarded the boat from the transom area, which is a great place to shower. But then this is also a great spot to utilize the sink right after you exit the bathroom, which I will gladly have you guys take a quick peek at. This has got a porta potty, and it's very spacious. You know, I'll even show you right here. You can get in and out very easily. So again, to extend the day on the water, to make you not have to run back to the dock for anybody who needs to use the bathroom. It's a great dedicated storage space too for a lot of extra life jackets. To the opposite side of the toilet area, we got the Helm Seat, and this is a comfy Helm Seat. You have built-in armrest. You can adjust the seat. You can swivel out and enjoy the entertaining space with the rest of the crew. You can shift it forward and back. You can also lift this part up and stand while running at a tilt helm. We got our Simrad 5-inch GPS screen right here, flush mounted. We have additional gauges here for RPM, engine trim, fuel. We got the Infinity head unit, which does Bluetooth, and you're gonna have your speakers throughout the boat, so that'll control your music. And then your additional accessory lights, as well as a couple charging ports and cup holders. Nice appointed helm, and we're gonna take a look at the bow area. Would not be a sport boat without spacious bow seating. And we have two very comfortable lounge seats. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys an idea. I'm 5'9", and I have plenty of room here. If somebody was a lot taller, they'd have enough room to lounge out. You got grab handles, you have cup holders, and in the middle right here, we have a huge ski locker. So ski boards, other bulky items, boat hooks will fit great here. It's got a gas strut, so it stays up and closes nice and tight. And you could also even fit fishing rods in there, because up in front here we got a bow cooler that could be plumbed as a live well if you wanted to. So for the family that wants to also do a little bit of light duty fishing, this boat's gonna have everything you need for both from going from water sports to fishing. And an easy transition with this step right here to the bow of the casting platform, or just raised deck area of the boat. Makes it a very easy transition into the cockpit. It's not too steep of a step. It's going to make it for a very fluid transition. This will close off, the windshield will close off, and this will have an air dam too here. So if it is windy, you can protect the rest of the cockpit from the elements. And before we end too, I almost missed it because it was so conveniently appointed. There is a removable cooler right here that just snaps in and out. That's a 25-quart igloo. A great use of space by Nautic Star for that cooler. If we wanted to take the party to the beach, now we can have the cooler and go do so. Again, guys, new brand to MarineMax Clearwater, Nautic Star boats. We're so excited to be representing them, and you guys need to give this 223 a look in person. You can come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater. Give me a shout. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. My cell is 239-849-4719. And we're always open on the water at marinemax.com. We'll see you on the water.